Hi, welcome back to Shabano Insurance Agency, our YouTube channel. Make sure to like and subscribe. It really helps us out. It doesn't cost you a thing. And if you need a quote, remember, you can go to our website at shabanoinsuranceagency.com. So in today's video, we're going to talk about why is my auto insurance rate so high and how come everybody's getting sued. Okay, look, it's very simple. If you're running around your town, wherever it may be, with state minimum coverage, that's why your rate is high. I get it. And what is state minimum? What does that mean, right? Okay, look, we have several parts of an auto policy. And the term full coverage really is not an insurance term. It's just a term that's been created over the years, and who knows, car dealerships, and even I say it from time to time. But you got to think of auto insurance as a la carte policy, meaning that you have liability coverage, you have uninsured motorist coverage, you have personal injury coverage or PIP, you have medical in some states, which is PIP, you have comprehensive, and you have collision coverage, you have rental car or loss of use, and roadside assistance or towing, depending on the carrier you have. So that's, having all that is full coverage. Comprehensive is what protects your vehicle from physical damage, like say a hailstorm. Collision is if you collide with an object, a fence or a wall, and that's typically your fault. If you hit an animal, if it's alive, well, it's a comprehensive claim. It's not your fault. But if it's dead, it's a collision claim. It is your fault. So what did I mean by state minimum, right? Your rate is high because of state minimum. Well, a lot of people are trying to lower their costs in auto insurance because auto insurance rates are increasing because of the number of drivers with no insurance, the amount of lawsuits that are occurring, and as well as the population growth. Now, auto insurance rates also do decrease if the opposite occurs. Less people, more people insured, higher limits in the area. Minimum requirements, right? So minimum liability in the state of Texas and in your state, there's a minimum amount that you have to carry for liability coverage. In our state, in the state of Texas, it's $30,000 per person, $60,000 for the entire accident, $25,000 for property. That's the state minimum for liability. What that means is if you get in a car wreck and it's your fault, you're liable to bring those people whole again, whether it's a property you damage or a person that you hurt. And your limit of liability, bodily injury, is going to pay out $30,000 for those medical injuries. At most $60,000. And that doesn't mean $60,000 for one person. It means $30,000 for the husband and $30,000 for the spouse. And if there's a child in there, well, I'm sorry, they get no coverage because you exhausted the coverage. $25,000 for the property. The uninsured motorist coverage is for you, and the personal injury is for you and your passengers. We'll talk about that in another video. But how do we get our price for auto insurance lower? Well, it takes time, unfortunately. It's not instant. There are some discounts that are instant, like IntelliDrive or Smart Ride or Snapshot. We'll talk about in another video. What we're talking about here is minimum coverages that you carry now. It would be worth your while to increase those coverages to one step above, $50,000, $100,000, $50,000, or if you could afford it, $100,000, $300,000, $100,000. The reason why is you protect yourself in case of that accident that I just mentioned, and that person's bodily injury hurt husband and wife and the child. Now you got a little bit more for the child. But when you're shopping for insurance, the other carrier or broker or agent that sees your limits, they see that you no longer have minimums, you have one step above. And believe it or not, you get a better rate when you're shopping if you have a higher limit of liability, period. And if you have, say, $500,000, you're gonna get better treatment with other carriers. You might qualify with other carriers that you've never qualified before at a lower price. You'll be surprised.
Big mistake.
Now, this approach of lowering your price it's a waiting game, it's patience. It takes at least a year or two of committing to that higher limit of liability, but it is worth your while to do it because you will be in a different category when it comes to insurance risk. A tier 1, tier 2 versus a standard or a minimum liability client. So to lower your price on your auto insurance is actually to increase your price right now, unfortunately. Now, there are other discounts you could add to offset that, but going one step above is only going to cost you about $10, maybe $20 more a month. What is that really? Starbucks visit? You know, come on. So do that for yourself and for your family. Go with a higher limit. If you have state minimums, increase that. Do that minimum change and then wait 6 months and try again and shop again. Wait a year and try again and shop again. Another video that I will release is longevity. The longer you are with a carrier, at least 2 to 3 years, you get better rates again. Yeah, it's just establishing your insurance credit score basically is what we're trying to do here. So I hope this video helps. That's one method of lowering your auto insurance rates. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to like and subscribe. If you need a quote, visit our website at Chavino Insurance Agency. Have a great day.